7. Natural drinks to prevent and repair. Nerve damage. Drinks that do more than refresh. A gentle therapy for your nervous system. The nervous system is the command center of all vital functions, from thoughts, emotions, and behaviors to sleep and memory. When damaged by stress, inflammation, free radicals, or illness, you may experience fatigue, anxiety, poor focus, and forgetfulness. Instead of relying solely on medication, you can take care of your nervous system daily through a healthy diet, especially by incorporating natural drinks rich in bioactive compounds that help repair, protect, and enhance brain function. Here are 7 scientifically supported natural drinks that positively impact the nervous system. They're easy to make, delicious, and use simple, accessible ingredients. 7. Golden drinks for the nervous system. 1. Green tea, the smart drink for brain clarity and nerve flexibility. EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, a key compound in green tea, is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect nerve cells from free radical damage, a leading cause of neurodegeneration and cognitive decline. Green tea also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that crosses the blood-brain barrier, increases BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, levels, enhances mental flexibility, reduces anxiety, improves focus and sleep quality. Ideal for people working in high-stress environments or needing fast mental recovery. How to use: drink 2 to 3 cups per day. Enjoy hot, iced, or creatively mixed into smoothies, soups, or matcha-based baking. 2. Spinach and kale. Smoothie. Strengthen the protective layer of nerve fibers. Spinach and kale are packed with vitamins B6, B9, and K, vital for the synthesis of myelin, the protective sheath around nerves. Additionally, magnesium in spinach helps stabilize nerve cell voltage, reduce spasms, and balance mood. Vitamin K aids in nerve cell regeneration and reduces neuroinflammation. With strong myelin protection, signals between neurons transmit more efficiently, reducing sluggishness and preventing widespread nerve damage, especially helpful for symptoms like tingling, numbness, or minor nerve dysfunction. How to use: blend with banana, apple, berries, chia seeds, lemon juice, nut milk, or nut butter. Nutritious and energizing. 3. Turmeric latte, the golden milk that rejuvenates neurons. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is a standout in supporting nerve health. It has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier, reduce chronic inflammation, a core factor in neurological conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, promote neurogenesis, the creation of new neurons, and enhance brain plasticity. Regular consumption may help reduce nerve pain, support recovery after injury, and maintain mental agility over time. How to use: mix turmeric with your choice of milk, dairy or plant-based, black pepper to aid absorption, and honey. Add cinnamon, ginger, or cardamom for extra flavor and benefits. 4. Blueberry smoothie, purple power for brain recovery. Blueberries are a natural antioxidant superfood thanks to their high anthocyanin content, pigments that neutralize free radicals that damage nerve cells, activate genes linked to neuron survival, enhance synaptic connectivity for better brain function. Studies show regular blueberry consumption improves short-term memory and processing speed, especially in older adults or those under high cognitive load. How to use: 1 smoothie per day with blueberries, banana, plant-based milk, honey, or cinnamon. Delicious, beautifying, and heart-healthy. 5. Orange, carrot, and ginger juice. Brighten your brain and restore balance. Each ingredient in this juice blend plays a crucial role in nerve health. Vitamin C from orange, strong antioxidant, supports collagen synthesis, essential for nerve structure. Beta-carotene from carrot, converts into vitamin A, which promotes neuron repair and growth. Gingerol from ginger boosts cerebral circulation, reduces nerve inflammation, and soothes discomfort. This drink delivers a balanced cocktail of anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and circulation-boosting effects, core elements of nerve regeneration. How to use: juice fresh each morning. Mix with apple, turmeric, or lemon for extra depth and benefits. 6. Lemon ginger tea. Cleanse, relax, and reduce inflammation. Combining warming ginger and zesty lemon, this tea is both soothing and invigorating. Gingerol provides natural anti-inflammatory action, easing chronic nerve pain. Vitamin C from lemon boosts immunity and reduces oxidative stress, helping neurons remain calm under environmental strain. Perfect for evenings. Ideal for mental relaxation, restful sleep, and overnight nerve recovery. How to use: serve hot or cold. Add honey, mint, or turmeric to enhance benefits and flavor. Recommended 1 to 2 cups daily. 7. Pomegranate juice. Vibrant red for neural vitality. Pomegranate juice is rich in punicalagin and punicic acid, 2 powerful antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, major culprits of nerve damage and aging, promote brain tissue regeneration, enhancing learning and memory retention. Emerging research suggests pomegranate may improve brain circulation, ensuring neurons receive adequate nourishment. Slow age-related cognitive decline. How to use: 1 glass daily, about 240 ml. Consume in moderation due to its natural sugar content. Every sip is a gentle step toward healing your nervous system. In today's busy world, what we may need most is a small moment of stillness, a warm, healing sip that nourishes from the inside out. Let your kitchen become a natural healing clinic, where fruits, greens, roots, and herbs blend into gentle remedies, restoring your nervous system, awakening your mind, and warming your spirit. If you found this article helpful, like, share, save it to care for yourself and your loved ones. Try one of these drinks each week and notice changes in your energy, focus, and emotional well-being. Remember, every small sip can be a giant leap in your journey of nerve regeneration.